Welcome to not.ie. Cool things you can do in the browser as long as you do not have to support Internet Explorer. This is a bit of an extension or bonus or add-on to the reactivity video I put up, and it's showing how you can reuse functionality with mixins across web components really easily. If you don't, so basically we made this showHide functionality, and we want to it's reusable. We could use it on any custom element. We don't need it. So let's just create an object. Mike's in the way there. Paste this in. So we've added the showHide functionality in there. And in our connected, no, we don't have a constructor, so let's add a constructor. Yeah, put it right at the top. Man, I cannot type today. That's it. Create an object called showHide. Object.assign, this, showHide, save it, refresh. Oh, we got an error. What's my error? Oh, I don't have a comma in there. Hey, there we go. showHide. With our transitions, it works. Let's get our breakpoint off of there. Hey, it keeps working. Now for the attribute changed callback. This one I'm going to do a little bit different. Actually, we'll start with the whole thing. We'll copy the whole thing. Don't forget the comma. And I'm going to just call it show attribute changed callback. And there. And I'll do this.show. I cannot type. That's it. Just start stacking things on the object there, and this will still keep working. That's it. Now, any new component that I make, I can kind of just bring it in this way. Maybe wire in these pieces. I could even do this, that piece, move that up there, but you get the idea. Hope this helps. Thanks for watching.